65 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. In every era, they were kings of the animal kingdom. But then, suddenly, everything changed. An asteroid struck Earth, wiping out all dinosaurs, making them extinct. But what if things were different? Let's go back 65 million years to see how evolution would unfold. If dinosaurs kept living and evolving, what changes would their bodies undergo? How would they adapt to Earth's shifting environment? Would some stay at the top of the food chain, becoming apex predators, including over you? This is what happens if dinosaurs never stopped evolving. Before we reimagine evolution's path, let's first explore the disaster that killed many dinosaur species. Around 66 million years ago, Earth's Cretaceous period ended, but before it ended, a massive explosion occurred. No, not that Big Bang. An asteroid about 10 kilometers wide, named Chicxulub. It tore through space and our atmosphere, finally reaching Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. This giant rock slammed into Earth, releasing energy equal to 100 trillion tons of TNT. That blast was billions of times more powerful, more than World War II atomic bombs. Right after the impact, massive tsunamis and wildfires erupted, filling the atmosphere with debris, blocking sunlight, dropping temperatures. The food chain collapsed, resulting in 75% of life on Earth dying. Luckily, in our scenario, dinosaurs never knew what hit them. If no extinction occurred, how would Earth's evolution look? Looking back at life's evolution, we must remember, it's always been a survival game. Only the fittest species survive. That means, not every dinosaur would survive millions of years of selection. But let's see if some prehistoric friends could pass this genetic test. Starting at the food chain's top, let's look at one of history's greatest apex predators, Tyrannosaurus rex. Millions of years ago, T-Rex hunted with highly developed senses. These beasts may have had eagle-eye vision, or even better. Scientific studies show, during T-Rex evolution, their eyesight improved as faces narrowed. They spotted prey hundreds of meters away. Now they might see their next meal miles off. Though T-Rex is famous for tiny arms, their bodies were massive, standing nearly 4 meters tall. Over time, natural selection might give T-Rex longer, more powerful arms, boosting agility and range of motion, making them even deadlier predators. Velociraptors were known for speed, agility, and hunting skill. And they were smart too. Maybe not as smart as in Jurassic Park, but they beat some dumb herbivorous prey. After millions of years of evolution, these creatures would develop advanced hunting tactics. Another thing Hollywood didn't show you. Evidence suggests raptors were feathered. Their evolution is tied to birds' emergence. Imagine over time, these fierce predators evolved wings, hunting from the air. Helpless prey like humans. More likely, you'd worry about your pets. Velociraptors were small, only about 45 kilograms, under 2 meters long, but watch out for your cat, and maybe small children. As for dinosaurs ruling the skies, pterosaur flight skills would keep improving. When they went extinct, they were the largest flying animals, wingspans from 2 to 11 meters. If they kept adapting to changing atmosphere and geography, who's to say these giant flyers wouldn't grow bigger? Imagine a park visit ruined by them. Pterosaurs the size of small buildings. That's something to worry about. Not all dinosaurs would evolve bigger and fiercer. Gentle Brontosaurus might keep growing, but they might develop other traits to be less vulnerable to predators. For example, natural selection might favor thicker skin, able to withstand the powerful bite of T-Rex or whatever it's called. For other species, from their era to now, the environment changed dramatically. Brontosaurus was herbivorous as plants evolved themselves. These dinosaurs might develop complex digestion, similar to mammals. That raises another dilemma. If these creatures kept evolving, unbothered by pesky asteroids, would mammals like you even be here today? Our early human ancestors evolved among mammoths and big cats. But we'd move among these species. Only the adapted survive. In that case, human evolution might take a new path. Selection might favor smaller, faster traits to avoid being prey. And, since we might lie alongside smart species, like Velociraptors, our social structures could differ completely. No longer Earth's dominant species, we'd likely compete with these dangerous predators. If a pack of T-Rex could attack any time, would we even settle in one place? Instead, civilization might evolve in large communities, or we'd survive as lone nomadic hunter-gatherers. Evolution is a mysterious puzzle. Only time knows the answer. If we reverse the Chicxulub asteroid collision, that chain of events, it's basically unimaginable how different your world would be. It makes me wonder, if an asteroid of similar size hit today, or something bigger, what happens?